Yes, 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 yes. You know it's the 10-star general representing. Yes, yes, yes. Sure is. Hear me no nation people. Right I know the world boss go God bless you now. You know from you go God bless you can't wrong. You see what me I say? Yeah man the video out and everything out. You see what me I say? The thing look shell way hotter than where hell there. No gimmicks thing not the inner it nation people don't know the world boss represent already. No form of lollipop way. You see me? Song after song after song, topic after topic after topic, where some people act like them can't find no topic. You see what I say? To all the world boss, unique, my brother, I'ma give it to you all different type of way. No joke shit, not the inner it nation people. You see what I say? I like the whole orchestrated of the video to you. You see what I say? Because sometimes you have to show up bad mind people and burn them out. You see what I say? No lollipop thing, no into it nation people. So just make certain say we represent Panda one day. So you know say when you cut the song off of iTunes, is what I say. And who can cock it, just stream it, no joke shit no dead about it, and run up the views on YouTube and give the world boss some comment, is what I say. Film awesome delivery, is it? Yeah man, no joke thing no dead about it, is what I say. Right now, the whole of I know the whole of the street in England, in a UK right now, shell and turn up, is what I say. The chopper them are gonna love it, no gimmicks thing no dead about it, and the hustler them, you see it. Yeah man, and antenna up for bad mind people at all time. No gimmicks business no dead about it. You see what I say? I don't tell you now already from the year start the world boss does not the world boss does a full blast. The thing that they on the half rev, my brother. A full rev. It buck. You see what I say? And the ear there ever half yet. We don't ever see nothing yet. You see what I say? And a joke thing not dead about it. Cause don't forget the 14 of this month forwarding. Don't forget that Johnny Wonder and Vybz Kartel featuring Skilly Bang. We don't know the prince and the king. Yeah, you know the king and the prince, you know, say the polished shell were hotter than we hell there. Now gimmicks thing not dead about it. A be a queen and princess in there. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man. So you know, watch out for that cause dynamic thing will go on. No joke shit not dead about it. You see what I say? But me I say, you see the way world boss construct that song, yeah, my brother. You know what I mean? I mean, like if you watch the visual, you probably think the visual too rough, but I so bad mind people work still. You see what I say? Yeah, you know, world boss is a man who like speak for ghetto people. I mean, you see what I deal with? And you know most hustler, you don't know how the thing go. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Antennas are for up. You see what I say? Watch the bad minded fucker them. You see it? No give me thing not dead about it because some of them are not bring up, you know. I just steer down, you know. You see what I say? In a all different type of way. No joke shit not dead about it. You don't know how I represent already. Gaza way. There ain't no other fucking way. You see it? Yeah, man. Them are not build up. I broke down them. You see what I say? Them not like to get a youth prosper. Mm-hmm. No joke shit not dead about it. And some even get a youth don't ever like to see them one another prosper. And them are the fastest one I come forward for tear them. You see what I say? Yeah, no joke shit not dead about it. So we see some man a struggle for find topic and every time we watch a world boss drop a song, a total different thing I go on, my brother. Total different thing I go on. You see what I say? Yeah man, nation people, I don't know so no hours here. I cut the news with them because I ever say the world boss news with them I hit the iTunes chart, you know, but you hear man? You see that one here? Eh? I collaborate on that one here. You see what I say because here what I go on. This is what I go on. Legit, solidify and certify all over the fucking country. You see what I say? So I could double down on that one here. You see what I say? Run up the views on that one here. Make the world boss know how you feel the song. You see what I say? As I done say already, the visual shot, so we don't even have to elaborate about that. That is not even a topic. You see what I say? Yeah, man. No joke thing that about it. You know, we not reason a fool way, is it? I always Gaza way, they ain't no other way. You know, gimmicks thing that they in my game. You don't know what 10 star represent already. Yes, 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 yes. Sure is. Yeah, man. Right now, I say I obtain, you know. I obtain go gun wa. But here I go on. Right now, the I obtain car go clash. Right now, the thing is spilling on the ear still, you know what I mean? But like, if you ask me, the clash is like something we're not even used to. You know what I mean? It's like at the first we witness a clash like this. You see what I say? Yeah, but you always know it's a first in everything still. You see what I deal with? Me personally, I not go downgrade the clash. No, I not go even bash the artist them. I just go watch and see where good forward out of it. You see what I say? It's all about what it do for the artist them and where it take the artist them. You see what I say? So I obtain drop a nice song. You see what I say? So we're there and a cheer it on said speed. Because here we are going. If we shush it off, we don't have nothing to talk about because no clash now go on. You see what I say? So, I don't know. But we are people who are hard to satisfy. You see what I say? And like, and every time things are go forward the way we want it. You see what I say? But sometimes we have to learn to embrace even the good with the bad said speed. You see what I deal with? Because here we go on. Most time I just tear them. No build up, as I say. You see what I say? So, we can enjoy what them do. You see what I say? Without even make a big cry over it. You see what I say? Because sometimes you have to satisfy with what you have. You see what I say? Until you get what you want. You see what I say? Or satisfied with what you get. You see what I say? Until it start come in abundantly where you like it. You see what I say? So, I go still big up ioctane and I go big up cargo because some of my thing go. You see what I say? No lollipop thing in it. But nation people at the same time I say make certain will uno cut the Vybz cartel. God bless them. You see what I say? Yeah. And no, the views for YouTube. Leave a comment there for the world boss. And because you don't know, say the world boss a shot music right now. A first class. No lollipop thing not there about it. A 10 star the general I represent. What? Yo, Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. 10 star general. Watch. Watch.